Zach.
Clearing then straight on. Okay, 930, straight and clear. 930 meters, crest, then 20 meters, turn right, hard turn, straight, road, narrows.
Call it again. How far?
530 meters. It's a while.
Look at the speed.
Holy shit!
Come on, tell me where we're going.
Turn right. We need to slow down, you're scaring the freaking shit out of me.
Stop looking at the speedo then. Come on.
Turn left at T-junction.
Okay, next.
That was it.
Come on.
Caution, dip, then 60 meters.
Next.
What?
Next.
So hump, then road goes left, 550 meters. How does fucking Andrew keep up with this shit?
Come on, concentrate.
I am.
Look at your distances.
Road goes
There's your
left.
hump.
Oh, road goes left. Road goes right, 180 meters.
Okay, road goes left.
Yep. Oh shit, we're down here.
Yeah, come on.
Road goes left on crest, then 50 meters, turn hard right at T-junction. 160 meters. Where is it? Why is there dust coming in?
Because the door's just not sealing properly.
Whoa.
Come on.
I don't know where we are.
That's road goes left. Come on.
Oh.
Zero it, Zach. Look at your totals.
Oh yeah, 16, 17. Caution, dip, then 60. Wait, no, we passed that. Hump, then road goes left. I don't know where I am.
Look at your totals.
17.85. Oh shit!
Come on. Look at your total.
No! Oh my god, just hear this shit out of me, Dad.
Do you want me to slow down?
Yes, please.
Never.
Dude, this is fucking scary.
Come on. Find out where we are.
I'm trying.
Look at the totals. That's...
Was this road goes left, correct? Hump, then road goes left?
Next.
Okay, road goes right, 180 meters. Yeah, it is.
Turn right.
Road goes right. Turn right.
Zero it.
Yep. Caution, jump, dip, then 100 meters, jump. 300 meters. This isn't it. I don't know where I am.
Look at your total.
18.30. Road goes left, 460 meters away.
You sure?
I think. I honestly don't know where I am, Dad.
Look at your total.
18.95.
Okay, turn right.
Road goes left on crest.
No, turn right. Where's that? Turn right. Look at your total.
Turn right. Is that Knights Road?
Yeah.
Okay. 380 meters. Road goes left at Cross Road. Okay, now I know I am. 180 meters. Road goes left at Cross Road. Is this road goes left at Cross Road?
Yep.
Yep, cool.
No, it's T-junction. That won't be in it.
What?
Look at your total, son.
Straight on at Cross Road. Wait, no.
Look at your total.
I am.
Okay. Look at your total on the instructions.
20.20.
Backwards, we're at 19, aren't we?
No, we're
Where's
at
your
20.
total? Okay, so look at your total.
Turn right at 1.25k at SP Knights Road. Holy shit, can you please slow down?
So have you found the okay, so
Yeah, I
here's
know where we are.
So we're almost at the finish.
Wait, what? Okay, no. I did such a shit job. I'm fucking shit.
You'll learn.
Oh my god. I got lost. Hello? G'day. Can you continue to have the recording? Pardon?
Cool, so give us the radio, Zach.
Oh.
0.
Press the button.
There's
Yep.
time.
Yep.